Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the Diwali special sugar-free, nut-free Moong Dal Laddus. To begin, dry roast 2 cups dhuli yellow moong dal split green gram on low heat until it is aromatic and changes color. Remove from heat, allow it to cool and grind it into a fine powder. Next, keeping the pan on low heat, add the powdered moong dal along with half a cup desi ghee or clarified butter. Mix well and cook it on low flame until it turns golden and you can smell the nutty aroma. Do not let it dry out. Remove from heat, transfer into a large bowl and allow it to cool a bit. Do not leave it in the pan or it might burn. While it's still a bit warm, add in a cup of artificial sweetener and 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. You can adjust the sweetness as per your taste. Mix well. My kitchen is a nut-free kitchen. If you are using nuts, you can add them now. Crush the mixture so that it is easy to shape. If it is too dry, add in a teaspoon or 2 more of ghee. Shape the mixture into laddus of the desired size. The sugar-free, nut-free Moong Dal Laddus are ready to enjoy. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.